This is painful. This is painful. Ah. Whoa!
Sorry, dropped the
Wow!
Oh my gosh!
Did you hear that?
A bird!
That's amazing.
Oh, that made my day.
You win, little dude.
Need something.
Got it. Little merkit.
Oh no!
That didn't help.
Oh my gosh!
Did you hear that?
You said it. Oh, that's perfect. Here it comes.
I'm concerned.
You meant well.
Oh no.
Oh, wow. All right, back to work, everybody.
Psst. Guess what? Psst. Guess what? It's a secret. It's a secret. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Shh.
That explains everything.
Oh, wow. No way!
That explains everything. But what is a crumb if not a tiny loaf? Scroll, scroll, scroll. Can't stop scrolling. I need my phone! I need my phone! Oh, no. Battery low. Put it down, human. Look at me. Still scrolling? Forever. Like. Let's unpack that.
Oh, all right, buddy. One more time. Say hello for everyone. Come on. Hello. Oh, wow.
Let's circle back. Let's circle back.
This ain't it. Be serious! I'm judging you.
Oh, here we go. Another episode of What Not to Do. Plugged in toaster meets water? Genius. Absolutely genius. And this one's an architect of chaos. Count the boxes and the steps you forgot about. Oh, look, a man reading instructions upside down while aiming the drill at his own nose. Beautiful.
Try again.
Mr. Johnson, we've gone over the numbers. Productivity is down, seed expenses are up. I'm afraid you're fired.
Wait, what?
Here's your notice.
Are you serious?
Completely.
Ow!
Oh my!
Keep policy. Don't forget your staples.
Careful, man.
I told you so. Huh? Did it just? Told you so.
Ready. Boing. Whip crack. But yay!
No way.
Scrolling. Ding. Next joke. But
You heard that?
Bird's a whole show.
I was not ready. I was not ready.
So, what are we having for dinner?
Oh, man. Did you hear that?
No more toast. Remember the carbs.
Why did the scarecrow get promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field. Hold on. What do you call a pile of cats? A meow tame.
Stop it!
Last one. Why don't eggs tell each other secrets?
Hey, buddy, want an almond? Whoa! Oh my gosh! I'm not gonna take it from you. You're so dramatic. Here, look, it's right here. There you go.
I'd like to lodge an official squawk complaint. Those sirens outside, nonstop. My feathers are on edge.
You're saying the emergency vehicles are too loud?
Too loud, too often, too everything. I can't nap, I can't practice my arpeggios. It's chaos out there.
All right, fill out the form and I'll...
I'm about to go viral. They're not ready. Oh my God! Drop the beat. Probably want a trend?
Ladies and gentlemen of the living room, I stand before you innocent. This beak did not shred the couch, nor did these claws knock over the fishbowl.
Then who did?
Who? Look behind me. The furry felon licking her own paw like it's alibi sauce. The cat. She planted the feathers, pushed the bowl, and sauntered away. I'm telling you I was framed, feather by feather.
Ready for one more drop, little guy? Hang on. Okay, your turn.
Well, would you look at that? Thank you so much.
Squawk.
Render!
Whoa! Oh,
Render!
you're a talking parrot. Okay.
Handle with care.
Ah, you meant captain. He almost gave me a heart attack.
Render!
Oh, he does that.
Render! Call me!
Huh?
Call me! Call me!
You want me to call you?
Call me! Call me!
You don't even have a phone.
Call me! Call me!
Oh boy.
Hey there, gorgeous. No, too strong. Hi. Fancy a cracker sometime? Smooth. Keep it smooth. Your plumage must be from paradise because it's got me flying.
Oh my gosh, did you just... No way you're copying me. You're so funny. Squawk. Okay, you win. That was perfect.
Uh-huh. Shifty eyes, sweaty brow. Classic. You're hiding something, badge boy.
I'm just standing here, sir, ma'am. Whatever you prefer.
Just standing here, he says. That's what they all say before they bolt. I can smell guilt like sunflower seeds.
I'm not guilty of anything.
Uh-huh. Tell it to...
You're undercover!
Shh, keep it down.
Badge on the belt, plain clothes, cop!
It's not what you think.
Wire in the pocket, cuff bulge on the left, decaf coffee, classic stakeout.
I am not here for you. I'm just buying snacks.
Snacks and surveillance, pal.
You sure you don't want a cracker first? Loosens the beak.
I'm good.
Talk. I saw everything. The feathers, the seed money, the whole sting. And now every pigeon in the city wants me plucked.
You expect us to believe a talking parrot's the key witness?
Believe what you want, mustache. But that mob boss, he calls himself the rooster.
Excuse me, officer. Can I ride in the shiny car?
Did you just ask for a ride?
Yep. Be a very good passenger. Seatbelt and everything.
All right, Feathers, hop in.
Woo! Percentage of squawk-related incidents will be low, promise.
Just keep your claws off the siren button.
Deal. This is awesome.
Buckle up, partner.
You see those guys on TV? The ones in the dark coats? I watched every episode.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Crime. I studied it. Stakeouts, getaway routes, the whole bit. Learn from the best, right here on this couch.
You learn crime from television.
Yep, if a parrot can pick up peekaboo, I can...
Detective! You think I can't see? Someone stole my seeds. My sunflower stash. Gone. And you? Sitting there all calm?
Whoa, slow down, Pepito. Nobody here is stealing anything.
Evidence bag says otherwise. Property of Pepito. That's me. Where's the rest?
We just cataloged it.
You taking notes, officer? Because I've got a lot.
Go ahead.
Number one.
Mr. Mendez?
He backs his car into the hydrant every night, pretends it ain't him. You didn't hear it from me. What? The lady in the orange sweater waters her plants with wine after 10 p.m. Got it on video.
Excuse me?
That kid with the scooter, he keeps...
Who's that?
It's just me, buddy.
Who's that?
Hey, little guy.
Who's that?
Afternoon.
Who's that?
Just passing through.
Who's that?
You're on a roll today.
Who's that?
Perfect timing. So yeah, he's only been with me a couple of weeks, but he's been pretty chill, mostly.
I love you.
Oh, sorry, he has this thing,
I love you.
that is adorable.
What's it doing on the light bar?
Quiet. I'm addressing you.
You have the right to remain silent.
Just
bird.
Reading us our rights?
Anything you squawk can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, preferably one that likes crackers.
Oh, come on.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be